Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. After a great meal, to me, something super soothing is having a delicious tea like this one. I choose Yogi tea because of its natural ingredients. I love lemon ginger because it supports healthy digestion. So after a great meal, if either I feel I ate a little too much or I feel bloated, this is the perfect tea to go to. The flavor is mild, it's just delicious, and I want you to see this comes in a tea bag. I just boil some water, I add the tea sometimes to the electric kettle, and I just pour it. It's not even a sacrifice to drink this tea. It even has a sweet flavor since one of the ingredients is licorice root, so this is delicious. Yogi tea has a variety of delicious flavors. They're all organic and natural. I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.